now I'm going to show you how to send the job to the large Helix laser cutter. I have my job ready. I'm going to zoom in. I know this is artboard 4. I'm going to then go to file and print. And I'm going to change the range to 4, which is my 4th artboard. Click down here to update. That's what I'm going to see. I'm going to make sure the auto rotate's off. I'm going to make sure the placement is upper left. Sometimes that's middle. I want it to be upper left. Then I can go to setup. And then for the large laser cutter, I'm going to select this Epilogue Engraver Win X64. Do not do the Zing. The Zing is the little one. The Win X64 is the big one. I'm going to do preferences. And then I can set all of my same preferences here. The horizontal on the big one is a 24-inch bed by 18-inch bed. So I need to type that in here. And then I can set my raster. For this job, I'm going to set it at 100 speed and 80 power. For my vector settings, I'm going to do 30 speed, 80 power, and 1000 hertz. Again, there's that cheat sheet in lab that will let you know which one to go do. All depends on your material you're working with. So now that I have that set, I'm ready to go. I just hit OK, and then print, and it's waiting for me on the printer. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to turn on the large laser cutter. So first things first, go over to the small laser cutter and turn it off. And then you're going to want to unplug the one that says Zing Air, which is the air assist for this. And you're going to want to plug in the one that says Helix Air Assist. Then you're ready to turn this on and turn on the one over the wall. I'll turn this on first. And then I'll come over to the wall. Turn that on away from me, the wall's on. This will be going. The machine's not powered on. The on switch is back here. So it's right back here. And I put that on and now it'll power on. So now what you hear going is the air assist for this. Still the blower that's actually blowing everything out, the wall fan, and the machine itself. Next, I'll take my piece and I'll put it in the machine, same way I would the other one, using this guide. It's set to the upside of the corner. If I want to focus the Z, I pop this piece off. It's magnetized. It stays on here like this. I pop it off and flip it around, and then it's like this. So then I can go over here and press focus, and it pops it out a little bit. And then when I press down, I can drop the bed down. And when I press up, I move the bed up. And as I push it up, I make it just barely touching my project. And then the focus is done. I open this back up. I take this and I flip it back around. And I'm ready to print. So now my job's already there. If I click job, my job is already on there. I'm going to go ahead and hit go. And it will start engraving. So first things first though, to use the large laser, which is the Helix, you have to use this laptop. This desktop over here is for the smaller Zing. The laptop is for the large laser. So just if you want to use that, you got to use the laptop. Alright, so this is the first side of the coin. She wanted it customized to a different side, or she wanted Baby Yoda on the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and delete out this helmet. And then I'm going to paste in my picture of Baby Yoda. I'm going to go ahead and, with it nice and large, I'm going to do an image trace, and that's going to be my base. I just clicked image trace up here. If I want to adjust it, I can click here, and then it's this box, and then if over here I can actually mess with the threshold, and that will change what he actually looks like. Just a little bit, but it might help with some of your traces. I think that looks pretty good. You can't always do advanced and get rid of noise and get rid of curves. Increase your paths. That will change it a little bit. That made his ears kind of bouncy. I don't like that, so I'm going to undo that. So now that I have it done, I'm going to go ahead and hit expand at the top. And then once it's expanded, I'll go ahead and click this outside one with my direct select tool, which is the white. And then once I have the outside one, I'm going to hit delete twice and get rid of everything around him. And now I'm going to select him and then resize him down. Then I'll take him and I'll drag him. I'll put him right here, right inside that coin. And if I hold shift while I do it, it doesn't lose proportions. And then I can type in what I want it to say. Where I go, he goes. That's right. And then I'm gonna put her name at the bottom here. And I'm gonna rotate that around to be on the bottom. And then it's ready, and I can go ahead and put this on the other side.